The couple's driving along down the freeway, and the lady says, do you want to stop and get something to eat? And her partner says, no, and he keeps driving. He actually answered the question, do you want to stop and get something to eat? He's not hungry? Logical answer is no, I don't want to stop. But the question she was really asking him was, I'm hungry. Could we stop and get something to eat? Do you care about me? Do you notice that I'm hungry? There's several things wrong with that. First of all, guys don't get hints at all. They just don't even get close to a hint. They don't understand them. There's verifiable evidence to prove that guys don't do hints at all. But the other problem with it is that she put it in code. He didn't know what she wanted to know. She wanted to know, can I count on you to take care of me? Can I count on you to pay attention to my needs? And when he realizes that's the question that she's actually asking, of course he's going to say yes, particularly if he loves her. Now, if he doesn't like her, she's probably not even going to be in the car with him. But if he knew that was the question she was asking, he would say yes. He heard a different question, and he said no.